Hey Slime Squad! Today I'm testing 5 no glue slime recipes. Let's go! First, I'm going to try this coconut water shampoo. I added my shampoo to the bowl and then added about the same amount of water. I stirred it thoroughly and honestly, I wasn't sure if this is going to work, but I thought I'd go all in and add some styrofoam balls for color anyway. Next, I added a super small pinch of salt. I stirred that and nothing happened, so I added a little bit more salt. At first, I thought this was a total fail, but then it actually worked. I couldn't believe it. Oh my gosh, guys. It totally thought it was a fake. This isn't a stretchy slime, but it does hold its shape, and you can roll it around and poke it. I think this slime is a winner. For this next slime test, it starts with some body wash, and I'm going to add some purple pearlescent powder. Just for color. Whoops! I added a little too much. That's okay, I can make this work. I'm just going to blend this together, and wow, you guys, this is actually forming a slime already. And I'm not even done with the recipe. And I have slime. That's crazy. I'm going to go ahead and add some cornstarch. Whoa! A pour over again! Oh my gosh! That's okay. I'll probably need most of this anyway. I feel like I'm making cookies here. Maybe I should bake this in the oven? Just kidding. It's finally coming together. Now it's a little dry, so I added a little more body wash and blended it in. I ended up with a stretchy, buttery slime that is super, super soft. For this slime, I started out with glue tack. This is the stuff you use to hang posters on the wall. I'm just stretching it to make it a little softer. Next, I added some hand lotion and began to knead and stretch it into blend. It still felt a little stiff, so I added some more lotion. I know this looks messy, but it will come together. I decided to add some more glitter because, yeah, why wouldn't I? Glitter always makes it better. This almost feels like a cloud or snow slime. This next slime is so easy. I just formed a ball of Model Magic clay and put a hole in it, and I added some hand lotion. I love this yellow color. You can see how firm the clay is to start out with. It just wants to tear. Halfway through this gets really messy, but then it comes together. I left mine like a butter slime, but you could add more lotion for a softer slime. I couldn't leave it alone, so I added some pretty colored styrofoam pellets and mixed them in. I love this buttery texture. Alright, Slime Squad, let's try a water-based slime. I started out with a small bowl of water and added some orange pigment powder and mixed it in. Next, I'm going to add some psyllium husk. I put like 3 tablespoons of the psyllium husk in, and this was clearly too much. This was so disgusting. I tried saving it with water, but it just wasn't happening. Fail. Let's try this again. So again, I'm using a small bowl of water, and this time I'm adding some pretty color shift paint. It looks so cool in the water, and of course, I'm gonna add some hollow glitter. Whoops! Obviously I was feeling more confident this time. I just added a teaspoon of psyllium husk this time and stirred it thoroughly. After a few trips to the microwave for 20 seconds at a time, this turned out awesome! It's so jiggly and not sticky at all. I love it. Definitely a winner.